It's not Uno alone suspect her. The period them suspect her too. But there is Smaddy who is after her. And Uno may need to reach her and warn her before that Smaddy a get to her. And him here look like he pretty too.
The problem is Shepherd, is that this girl is very elusive.
You know what? What kind of word that?
It means that she's hard to pin down, Shepherd.
Oh.
And we don't want to scare her. But sometimes she just disappear.
I'm getting the feeling that I may have to visit this little girl. Because if she always a disappear, you know who might find her? The same pretty hair.
So Shepherd, you know, see no facial features.
Bubbles is what the spirit revealed to me. If I did see facial features, Bubbles, I would have tell you so.
Sorry, Shepherd, I don't mean to sound pressing, but it would be so much help with the investigation. The persons that she might be associated with seem like them responsible for a lot of activities, violent activities that's happening in and around other a lot of communities.
You see, Bubbles, this is the part that I don't particularly like. But as a spiritual advisor, it is my duty to always advise you. Because I am seeing where you're going back on another journey. You and your team. You're choosing a path. So you have to fulfill your destiny. What I want to know for the Bubbles is that you must always be prepared. You and your team. Because if it is one thing this spiritual advisor knows, is that good always triumph over evil.
Shepherd, I believe in that too. But sometimes I'm just worried.
Why worry when you can pray?
I do that too, Shepherd. But because my team, them so young and them very energetic, I don't want them get hurt. This job that we do, I mean, we have to wonder if we're going to come home or this is it. And that I fear for them.
You see, Bubbles, the good book say, young men, I call upon Uno for Uno strong. But the race is not for the swift, nor the battle for the strong, but it's for who can endure it. You and your agency, Uno do a good job with them, you know. But like any parent who really want to see them picnic grow up, you have to make them go out there go experience things themselves. What I can promise you is that I will try to be the best guide as I can. I cannot say as to why I was called to this, but as long as I heed the call, I believe things will be alright. I see where we're not sending the young man in the lion's den. But you must know, sending him in the lion's den, him is not Daniel. Him is family.
That is how we treat everybody in this agency, Shepherd. Like family.
Him a family.